Hello, good evening, dear listeners and Mian students. Today I'll tell you about the writing task 1 tips. Writing task 1 basically consists of 20 minutes. Okay, I used to say to my students that it should be from your side that 15 minutes and 5 minutes would be there for the recheck. Because I assume about always a recheck is a half a work. You will write down the paper definitely with a lead pencil. You will attempt the paper with a lead pencil. So during the writing in 15 minutes, if there would be any kind of mistakes, you can remove and you can write the new one. Basically, there will be a 4 type of diagrams and a 1 process which during the paper you will have. Firstly, line chart. Second, bar chart or a histogram. Third would be their pie chart, and fourth would be their table chart. And as a little earlier I said you a process. Let me tell about how I have designed this basically by myself. Trend and non-trend. 2 options I have made. Firstly trend and second is non-trend. In the trend, if the time period is 3 or more than 3 years, decade, centuries, months, weeks, seconds, days, hours, and minutes, then it means it would be a trend chart. Second, most significant value you will highlight. Third, first year to last year, I mean from first year to onward last year, each and every year, thoroughly we have to explain. And last but not the least, we will highlight that would be even your most prominent point of that line chart, bar chart, histogram or a table chart, but you will just change the vocabulary. Basically 3, 4, 5 types of the degrees which I always suggest to my students which we have to prepare. The first one is 70 degree, second would be 45 degree, third would be 30 degree, and the fourth one would be 0 degree. For 70 degree, generally the words which I offer to my student, that is significantly, sharp, sudden, dramatic, substantial, fast, rapid, all these type of words. For 45 you will use the wording moderate, gradual, steady. For 30 degree, slow, slight, gentle and minimal. As far as concerned for 0 degree, straight, stable, stagnant, same and the parallel. Basically all these type of wording, variety of the words you will use in the paper to great extent. Writing task 1, examiner will see that how much variety in the words, basically in the intro, in main body and conclusion you could add, and finally ultimately on the behalf of that consequently he will give you a score. Thank you very much for listening me about the writing task 1. Thank you.